Good morning, guys. I welcome you all to my live trading session on this channel. You know, it's Monday, and on Mondays I do live trading for you all to see. So welcome back once more today. If you are here, then stick around, don't go anywhere. We are going to do live trading so that you keep the setup in your mind, so that anytime you are trading, you'll be able to trade same setups and become profitable trader. So without wasting my time, let's get started and let's see what we can get for today to trade. Let me open my chart and let's begin trading. Okay, so let's begin with the current meter. And on current meter today, as you can see, we have where is it? On the H4, we have NZD to be strong. Can you see? We have NZD to be strong, and we have the JPY to be weak, the Japanese yen to be weak. So strong NZD and weak JPY. Okay, what else can we see? We can also see that the switch is strong and the USD is also weak, so we can also trade the switch and the USD, or we can trade switch and the JPY too. So we can trade switch. Can you see? USD is also weak, so we can trade any of these four pairs. We can merge them and then we can trade. So that's what we have for the current trend meter today. You can see that the pound is also strong, so we can also trade the pound with any of these ones. But let's first trade the top ones to see if you can get good trade. So I can either trade the USD and the switch, or the switch with the yen, or the NZD with the yen, or NZD USD. But I prefer to trade the switch with the USD. It's one of my favorites. I mostly trade. So I go to File, New Charts, and I'll search for switch yen. Where is it? Okay. So now, as you can see, it's black. Let me minimize it. It's black, so I have to insert my template as I always do every day. So template, and I'll insert my template of simple TT, and that's it. That's my template. So you can make your own template. So now it looks like as we trade every day, right? So back to the M1. What do we see? Yes, what do we see? Let me zoom it out. What do we see, guys? What do we see? Okay, so first you see that you can see the market is trending upwards, right? That's the first thing you can see. The market is trending upwards. So you draw your trend line just perfectly to fit the area or the zone. What else do we see? Guys, you can see power move. Can you see? And there was a retrace, and there's going to be another power move. And now on this retracement, the next pullback here, that's where we can buy. So we can either buy here, or I can also see we have support area somewhere in the middle here. Can you see? We have support area somewhere in the middle here. So we can either buy at this support area. Guys, watch out. We can either buy at this support area, or we can wait for the market to come back to hit the trend line, and then we take our trade. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to buy the support area first. So the market should come back. The market pulls back again. I'm going to enter my trade, and then I'll ride the market up. But sometimes it might not go all the way to the trend line. It might just hit the support zone here, the horizontal support, and then to just reverse. So I'm going to put my buy orders around this zone. Okay, I buy orders around this zone, and then when the market comes and trigger me in, then I'll take the trade. So buy order, okay, one more, good. So now we have our two buy orders set. So I'm going to wait for the market to come back and trigger me in, and then I'll take the trade. If the market come and trigger me in, and I take the, can you see? Very nice setup. Can you see, guys? I'll put my alert here so that in case I'm not around, the market will just alert me that I'm in already. I'll put my alert here. Can you see my alert? Okay, so let's keep waiting and see when the market will come and log us in. Okay guys, I can see we are almost in. We are almost in. The market is about to trigger our buy order, so let's keep waiting. Let's wait for small time. Oh, it didn't trigger us. It's moving upward, guys. Okay, let's just keep waiting, guys. We don't have to rush to enter. So maybe to come back. It's like it won't leave us behind, but maybe to come back. Let's just keep waiting. Oh, you guys, it keep going, guys. Looks like it keeps going, but let's just keep waiting. Okay, so guys, we are in now. So it's time to set my stop loss, and my take profit target. Stop loss, good. Take profit targets. Okay, so one more stop loss for the second entry, so, and take profit target for the second entry. Here a little, good. Oh, let me put it a little. Okay, let me adjust it to fit my stop loss criteria. Let me adjust this one too. Okay, so now we are set to go. Let me zoom it out. Okay, so can you see? That's it. We are set to go. So all what you can do is to wait for the market to hit our stop loss or our take profit target, and then we are out of the trade. So let's keep waiting, guys. Are you watching? Are you using your eye to watch? Are you watching, guys? So that's it. We are waiting for the market to just hit my take profit target or my stop loss, and then we are out of the trade. So let's keep waiting. Can you see the market is moving in my favor right now? Can you see? Right now we're in a profit, a little profit. As you can see, we're in a little profit. Okay, we have almost $300 profit now. Guys, are you watching? Almost $300 profit now. Okay, can you see how the market is spiking? But since we are not out of the trade, anything can happen, so we shouldn't be too happy. So we have a little profit and it's coming down. Let me pause it and come back. Okay guys, so as you can see, the market is still playing around. The profit has reduced back to $120, $100, $90. Can you see? Yes. This is what most of you guys can't handle. When the market is moving your profit up and down, you can't handle. So you keep messing everything up, guys. You can't do anything. Just watch, okay? Watch your trades to execute by itself. Either hit your stop loss or you take profit target and then you out of the trade. Don't intervene in your trade. Okay, after you are done with the execution, don't intervene in your trade. Just wait for the market to do its own thing, guys. Are you listening? So let's just keep waiting and see what happens. Okay, now we are negative now, guys. Are you watching? We are negative now. Can you see? Good. No, this is not good, right? It's bad. We are negative now. Now back to negative $100. We're negative now, so maybe it might lose. Who knows? We can't tell. Let's just wait, or maybe it can reverse back to profits. But it's a nice setup, okay? It's a nice setup. So anything, it can be a win or it can be a loss, but it's still a nice setup. So let's just keep waiting. Okay, guys, it's like I'm out. One more. Yes, I'm out. One of my stop loss is out, so I have one more stop loss to go. Then I'll be out of the trade. But it looks like the market wants to still reverse up to my original direction. So since I'm already in one of the trades, I'll just put my buy stop here, so that in case the market by chance push up immediately, I'll just still be in a trade. So I'm going to put my buy stop here. If it doesn't come back, I'll just close the buy stop. Let me put it here so that at least, since I'm still in one of the trade, let me just put it here. That's a technique I'll be using for a long time, okay? If you don't know how to do it, don't do it, guys. Looks like it's reversing back, guys. Looks like it's reversing back to our direction. Looks like it's reversing back to our direction. So maybe it's going to revert back and give us a winning trade. But one is lost already. Can you see? Okay, guys. So finally we are out. All the 2 trades are out, and yes, we are out. But it was a nice setup though, but it's still a losing trade. You can't get winning trade every time. Okay, so this one is a losing trade, though it's a nice setup, nice analysis. And your analysis cannot tell whether the market is going to be pushed up or pushed down. You can't tell. Your analysis cannot tell. Your analysis cannot determine what the market might do next. The analysis just helps you, the trader, to be able to make good decisions. That's all. So all our entries are out. We are out. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to wait, and in case the market come back to hit the trend line, maybe I might take the trade again, or maybe I look for a different pair and I'll just trade. So let's keep waiting. Okay, guys, I'm back for some time now, and the current meter, I can see that the pound is getting stronger. Can you see? The pound is getting stronger, and the switch is still strong. So since we traded a trending market, maybe this one we can set for a rangy setup to trade. So which one can I merge? The switch NZD I don't like, but I can trade the pound with the switch, right? The pound, the switch, good. Both of them are stronger. So let me go to file and new charts, and I'll find pound switch, pound switch, pound switch, pound switch. Oh, it's under minor. Pound switch. Okay, bam. So we are now in pound switch. My template, simple TT, and I'm in. Okay, so we are searching for ranging setups, which means you have to be in the mood to trade ranges. So let me zoom it out again. What do we see, guys? What do we see? You ask yourself, what do you see when you open your chart? What do we see? You can see some support zone here. Can you see? First support zone. You can also see some second support zone in the middle here. See, second support zone here. Very good. And we can also see, which one again can we see? Okay, we can also see one down here. So third support zone. That's all. Just 3 lines is okay. Don't complicate your chart, guys. Just 3 lines is okay. So let me zoom it in now. Okay, can you see? Perfectly ranging environments. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait for the market to either hit this middle one or hit the bottom one. So if you hit the bottom one, then we are going to sell up, we are going to buy, and then when you hit the middle one, we are going to sell down. So what I'm going to do is that let's wait, guys. I'm going to wait. Can you see? Because the switch is getting stronger, the pound is getting stronger. So I'm going to wait, and then market come back to hit any of these zones, then I'll take my entry. Or let me place my buy orders so that in case I'm not watching and the market come to hit, I'll be able to still be in. So first one, buy order, buy limit order. Good. One more, buy limit order. Good. So 2 down here. Let me also set one more buy order. Let me also set the sell orders at the top here. So in case I'm not watching, I will just take so sell limits. Good. And one more sell limits. Good. Now we are good to go. Let me set an alert. In case the market comes and then I'm not around, I'll just hear it whilst I'm somewhere else. So okay, one more trading alert for the top one. Okay, so we are good to go now. Now it can either hit the top one and then trigger us in, or hit the bottom one and trigger us. Okay, so let's keep waiting. Okay, guys, it has been some time now, and now we are in. Can you see? We are already in. I wasn't watching, so I'll set my stop loss. I'll set my stop loss straightforward, and later set my take profit target. So stop loss first. So stop loss, and let me adjust it small. And now take profit targets. Take profit targets. Take profit target here. So here, good. We're good to go, guys. We're good to go. Let me clean this one and this one too. Okay, so now this one too should go. We don't need it again. Oh, okay, we are taking it down here. So the market will come back and hit our take profit target and we'll be out, guys. We have a winning trade or a losing trade. It can also be a losing trade again, but we hope that this one will be a winning trade. Okay, anything can happen, guys. I'll leave and come back again and to see what has happened. Okay, we are already in some profits, so let me pause the app and come back again to see what has happened later. Oh, guys, I'm in. We are out, guys. Profit made. We are out. I wasn't watching. Profit made, guys. Profit made already. Oh, that hit my take profit target already, guys. So this is a unit. Can you see? Let me zoom it out. Can you see all the way from here? This is my entry and this is my exit. Can you see all the way from here there and we are out. So profit made. Nice simple trade and we're out. Can you see the market keep moving downwards? So I think yes, so one losing trade and one winning trade. So that's how trading is. If you know what you're doing, you definitely get some to be wins, some to be losses. Okay, so that's it for this trading session, and trading is over. So successful trading. Okay, so I think that's it, guys. Okay, guys, so as you all saw, trading is over and one loss and one win. In trading, if you know what you're doing, you definitely get some to be wins and get some to be losses. You shouldn't be sad when you get a losing trade because losing is part of the game. But your goal or your aim is to be able to get more of them to be wins and less of them to be losses. So that when you deduct the losses from the wins, definitely make profit. Now today, one loss and one win is good, right? If nothing, I can still break even. But definitely I've made profit out of it because one loss was smaller than the win, right? So you can see the market keeps dropping. The market keeps dropping as after I'm out of the trade, the market keeps dropping. So you can see simple analysis, how simple analysis can make trading very interesting and very easy. It's easy if you know what you're doing, but if you don't know what you're doing, trading becomes very complicated for you. As I always say, don't complicate your trading. Very simple. If you lose, it doesn't mean you not make good analysis. Good analysis cannot determine whether you're going to have a winning trade or a losing trade, guys. Your analysis cannot tell. You see, the first trade was a very nice setup, but still we couldn't get a winning trade because we can't tell. We can't tell what will happen to the market next. We will not get 100% win rate. But the second one also has a very nice setup and it's also a winning trade. Your analysis cannot determine whether the market is going to move upwards or going to move downwards. It's just to help you to know what's going on in the market. That's why you do your analysis with your tools. So that's it for today. Trading is over and profit made. So every day when you get one losing trade, maybe you can also take one and see if you're going to get a winning trade. But it doesn't mean you should revenge trading, guys. This is different from a revenge trade. Revenge trading means that after you lose, then you keep trading and keep trading and keep trading. You're angry, so you keep clicking buy and you keep clicking sell without even following your system. That is what we call revenge trading. But when you have a losing trade and you can go and take some walk outside and come back and come and take one more, it means if you refresh yourself, you come back, you see the market in a new way, right? But if you're a beginner, don't be doing revenge trade like you get a losing trade, so revenge, then you keep selling, keep buying, you want to get the money back. Anytime you do that, you're not following a system, you're not following a strategy. So don't do that. You hear me? Don't do that. Okay. So that will be all for this video. If you like the video so far, as you know, I need more subscribers, I need more likes. So hit the subscribe button if you're here for the first time, or if you're here for always, just hit the like button just to push my video through. And come back every time on Mondays to come and watch such live videos so that you gain more experience and be able to add it to your trading skills. This is OWAS, your mentor, and I'm signing out.